So nagtatanong, good day doc, what would you suggest to correct my scoliosis? Aside from buccal implant that doctors have been telling me since I was a kid, I have 36 degrees curve. And that's more than 5 years ago pa po. Naku, Diyos ko, baka tumaas pa yan. I've worn a brace po that's like a sports bra but doesn't seem to have any improvement at all. Your response is generally greatly appreciated. Alam nyo, yung 36 degrees, malaki yun. Pwede siya magkaroon ng back pain, pwede siya mahirapan huminga, pwede mahirapan siya magbuhat, mamibigat. Yun yung mga repercussion. Maliban sa nakaumbok talaga yung spine niya, no? Kung may 36 degrees ka na scoliosis, the good news is kung hindi ka na adolescent, kung hindi ka na teenager, hindi ka na tatangkad. Meaning, ibig sabihin tumangkad ka ng pagpa-curve dahil nakaganyan na yung katawan mo, yan na yan forever. Meaning, hindi na mag-worsen. The chances of it getting worse is less na yung risk, no? Pero the bad news is may scoliosis ka pa rin, 36 degrees, malaki yun. Ngayon, nasabi ko na maaring lumaki pa to kasi that was 5 years ago. Kasi I don't know kung ilang taong ka na 5 years ago. So pag ganito ang case, na meron kayo scoliosis, may anak kayo, o kayo mismo may scoliosis, come to our clinic. We are the only corrective therapy sa buong Pilipinas, lalong-lalo pagdating sa scoliosis. Natural, mahaba ng treatment. Kung yan ay more than 20 degrees, pag more than 20 degrees, nasa 60 sessions yan. Pag less than 20 degrees, nasa 30 sessions. Ang per session ng scoliosis, pag isang curve, nasa 2.5 per session. Pag dalawang curve, nasa 3.5 per session. So, compute nyo na lang, just do the math. Pag more than 20 degrees, 30 sessions. Pag more than 30 degrees, 60 sessions. Pag less than 20 degrees, ay 30 sessions. Gets? 30 sessions pag less than 20. Pag more than 20 degrees, 60 sessions. Gets? And ang session, 2.5 per session kung isa yung curve. Kung S-curve yan, 3.5 per session. I hope this helps.